I'm Zach, and this is the Bro Vlog. We're in the home stretch, and I've been looking for water, and it's really ticking me off because every time we go over a hill, there's no water. And I was I was kind of stressed out and playing with my slipper, which I'm wearing, which is just these, and I ripped off the arm. I ripped off the frog's arm.
Violence is never the answer.
Yes, violence is never the answer unless you're ripping frogs' arms off. Kind of gory, but I mean, I really like this slip. Dang it! Okay, we are going to see what happens to this fluff from the arm of my thing does when we put it in the wind, okay?
Okay.
So here we go. Ready? It's like get a little loud. Ready? Just in the wind. That did not last long.
Want to retry it?
No, I do not. You turn that camera off right now. No one's repeating that part. We're here. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun.
It's my favorite kind of caterpillar.
Evil caterpillar. We're in a vineyard thing. I have no idea. We're gonna have Ryder beatbox. Do the song. Do the song.
Get it out. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get out. Oh no. Get out. Oh no. Get out. Oh no. Get out. Oh no.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Lots of food.